Hey, yeah, ride or die. Hey, I know she'll be ready when I pull up, time to slide. Catch me out in public, guarantee she by my side. Ain't nobody out here that could be as fly as mine.
Can't tell, this is our first time doing this.
Around top there?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, well, son, how you doing there?
We cooking a pig. The last time I made a how-to video got 500,000 views. By mistake. And that is cooking. Oh, so go ahead and flip it, you're saying?
Trust.
She's not delivering mail here.
Hey, that looks legit.
Ooh.
della città largo. La 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 la.
250? 125. 125.
So we need
that's a bad look.
We need to keep climbing.
Should we go up? Crank it up.
I think we need to go up.
Okay, we gotta go up and turn this up. I like my pig a little medium rare.
You like pork rare? You are crazy, man.
Per un barbiere di qualità, di qualità. Bravo, Figaro, bravo, bravissimo, bravo.
195? Oh, dude, 195 is supposed to be in the shoulder.
200, 190.
It's done. It's done.
That is nice.
Time to be out here hating. It's history in the making. I'm loving all the options, despite everything that you're saying. My mama proud that she ought to be out and drunk, keep on calling me. But even if he didn't, she still think we hit the lottery. Don't need diamonds to be cold. I'm so shiny, I'm like gold. You just gotta let it show. Run it back and let's reload. I be like, sheesh. Sunset on the beach, make me wanna pull up on Miami with the heat. I don't know about you, but I know about me. Summertime is riding on the beach. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight.
You ever seen Magic Trick? Oh, dang it. We cooking a pig.